Confused about which programming language will you get hired the fastest in India? I have dug into the latest job data, real salaries and actual student stories. Stick around for the truth that could change your career. Welcome to VSH Tech Studies, where we simplify tech and help you reach your dream job. Today it's the ultimate showdown, Java versus Python versus C. Who wins the job race in 2025? Let's get right into it. Let's look at the numbers for freshers in India. Java and Python both have massive demand, but the speed to your first job, that's where Python pulls ahead. Python is the king of speed for landing your first job. It has got simple syntax which one can learn and build projects in weeks, not months. It is of high demand in the field of artificial intelligence, data science, in automation. Companies like iRobot use Python for developing and controlling robotic devices. Many startups like Google, Netflix, Instagram, Spotify, Dropbox, Pinterest, Reddit, and PayPal, many other are the avid users of Python language. Next, career-wise, if you think Java is the career powerhouse, it takes a bit longer to master, but it pays off big time. 70% of Indian IT companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, they use Java for their core systems. So high salary ceiling, if you take Java senior professionals can earn 15 to 25 lakhs per annum. So there is stability and growth. Enterprise and banking sectors run on Java. Spring Boot framework is everywhere in Indian IT. So if you take case studies, a candidate learned Java just for 4 months, got placed at Wipro with 6.5 LPA, and many other friends with Python started at 4 to 5 LPA. Java is the long-term investment, slower start but bigger rewards. C programming language can form the foundation, not for the fast lane it is. So C is all about building solid fundamentals, not instant jobs. C programming is extensively used in system programming due to its low-level memory access, efficiency and ability to interact directly with hardware. So it is best for programming languages which are needed for embedded systems found in devices like washing machines, microwaves and automotive systems. C is also used for programming in embedded systems found in Internet of Things, that is IoT devices. Core language for developing tools that translate source code into machine code or execute it. Hence it is used for developing operating systems, compilers, assemblers, interpreters, device drivers, system utilities and command line tools, database systems like MySQL engine. Many companies test C in interviews because it forms the basis for many other languages like C++, Objective-C and Rust. Not the fastest path to your first job, but if you combine C with Java or Python, you will ace technical rounds and interviews. If you want to stand out in core tech, C is your secret weapon, but don't rely on it alone for quick placements. So how to choose your path? For personalized roadmap, if you compare C, Python and Java, my recommendation is start with Java for long-term career growth and higher salaries. If you need a job, ASAP means as soon as possible. Python is your shortcut. For hardcore tech and interviews, master C first and then add Java or Python. Here is the reality check that everybody should know. Your language doesn't matter, because what matters is problem solving skills, quality of your projects, communication in interviews, daily practice and consistency. So I have seen many Python candidates getting Java jobs and vice versa. Master the fundamentals and you will always stay ahead. Which path will you choose? Drop a comment. Python for fastest jobs, Java for best career growth, C first for the strongest foundation. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for C output challenges and Java code interview prep. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.